Hi everyone, it's Gillian from Rustic Journals. I hope everybody's doing well today. So I've come on to do a flip through of the Peach Blossom Junk Journal, and that was a design team project for Caroline Myers, and she's got Caroline's Musings YouTube channel and Etsy shop, and she also has a Facebook group called One Way Journals. Now I shall link Caroline's Etsy and YouTube channel below, and also the link for the kit that I have used in this journal. So the cover is a soft cover made with fabric covered over, I can't remember the size of envelopes that I use, but yeah, that's what the cover's made of, and I've just stitched around the edges there, and the spine has got crocheted lace with some buttons sewn on there, and then we've got some pretty dangles here as well, and the closure is made with seam binding. And the inside cover is again fabric over another envelope, and then I just kind of glue the two together and stitch them round as well. So we've got a little cute postcard. This is from a different kit of Caroline's. I can't actually remember the name of it. I can link that below as well though, because it's also a really nice kit. And then inside the pocket, I've just got some leftover bits of lace and scrap bits of paper from making the journal. So I've just popped them in there, and whoever gets the journal can use them for doing some extra decorating if they want in the journal to make it more like theirs. And then we have a ruffle down here, which is the same fabric as the inside cover here. And then we have a cute little pocket here with a scripture card. The scripture cards are, they're not part of the kit. I think I got them from Caroline's Ko-fi shop, which again I will link below as well. And then we've got this really pretty pocket here. It's a big pocket. And inside there, I've just put some antique song sheets. And this would just be some hymn music, I think. Vintage hymn music, yeah. There we go. And there's some really beautiful pages in this kit, really nice. And then we have a flip envelope here, and I've just popped a piece of my own ephemera into there, and that can be journaled on. There we go. And then I did this on camera, I think, didn't I? Because what I did was I folded this bit over and made it into a pocket for this side. That's what I did, yeah. And this is one of the journal cards on the kit with some stenciling on the back there. And I've just popped some washi up here for extra decoration. And this is one of my favourite pages. I think I said that before. I've just stuck a leaf down here. I think that was a freebie of Rachel and Bella's. I just thought it looked nice on that page. And then we've got these tabs. They're part of the kit. I think there's 3 in the kit. So I've just kind of evenly popped them throughout the journal. And then this clipboard, that was part of the kit. And I've just stuck on a guest check here. And you can do some journaling on the back there. Plenty of journaling space as well in this journal. And then we have a belly band with this. I made this on camera, I think. Sure I did. In one of the first or second videos in this series, I think. And then we just made like a flippy notepad and popped some of these labels in here, and then whoever gets this journal can add them where they want to. Now, yeah, then we've got this cute envelope here, envelope pocket, and I've just put some of the stamps into a little tuck spot that I've done here. And then we've got this journal card in here, and then I've popped some more of the song music, sorry, in the back there. So it's like got two bits where you can put things into. And another pocket here, journaling card, and I've decorated the back of it there. And then we're at the middle, and I've got some, oh heck, yeah, there we go. And then that's the first set of dangles there. Now this cross here was from Carolyn's coffee shop as well. That's not part of the kit, but I just liked it. The colours went really well with this kit, so I popped it in there. And then I've got an altered paper clip. It says, "Love one another as I have loved you," John 15:12. And then we've got one of these definition cards, and I've just used the paper clip to pop that on there. Like that. And then we've got this fabric pocket and the handbag type journal card that I made to go in it. And then we've just got a little page edge decoration there that I've done. And then with this envelope, this was meant to be another pocket as well, but I just used it as a flip out for extra journal space there. And then we've got some sari silk just to cover the flat bit there. And another page edge decoration with some flowers that I've stuck down. And then we have another pocket with a cute little, it's like a mini bookmark almost. I've just stuck on a little butterfly there to it and gone around the edges with some green ink. And then we have another of these pretty tabs. Now here we've got the three pockets, but together they make one image. And that's one of the journal cards. And another one. And another one. And I've just kind of added bits and pieces onto each of them. No, this one. There we go. And I think, yeah, that's the end of the first signature. So here we have another pocket, and I've popped on some cute little birds that tied in with the colours of the pocket. I've just added a pretty little bow onto this journal card here and a label there on the back. And then I've just added some black lace onto this. I think this was actually meant to be a journal card, but I just really like the look of it for a pocket on that page. And then we've got this pretty clipboard, and I've just added a label and a bird on the back there. And then here we've got, I've used this here as a tuck spot and added this on. I added the word there. And then some journaling space on the back. Plenty journal space here and here. I've just added on some pretty little bits of embellishments there. Now here I have glued, this envelope was part of the kit, and I added this pocket on, which was also part of the kit, and popped in this cute little tag, and I've glued it down to this page, and it's like a flip up, and we've got a journaling card inside there. Okay, and then I've just done some stamping and added a label down here. Now here we've got 2 pockets that I've popped down, all part of the kit. This label and flower, they're not part of the kit, I've just added them on. In fact, these labels, there's a few of them dotted about the journal. They come with the cross that I showed you in the middle of the first signature. There's a few of these labels with that cross. But as you can see, the colours are just perfect for this journal, the greens and peachy orange colours. So yeah, I've added a cute little bow onto that card and decorated the back there. Now you go in there. They never seem to go in when you're on camera. And then when you're off camera, they just like slide in, no bother. There we go, and another card, journal tag, sorry. Come on, in you go. There we go. And then the third tab we've got there, and I've popped on a label so whoever can write something on there. And then again, journal space, spit it out there. And we've got a pocket. Again, this probably should have been a journal card, but I've used it as a pocket. And then I've added some of these. I often put these into my journals. They're from a bookmark colouring book that I've got, a faith-based one. And yeah, so whoever gets the journal can, if they want to, can colour it in and back it onto card and make some bookmarks. And here I've added in a pocket, and I've made this little journal card to go inside. And another big pocket that comes with the kit there. And one of these clipboards. I love these clipboards. I'm probably going to use them in a lot of journals that I make. And I've added that pretty rose on there. And then we've got this envelope here. And I've used this butterfly as like a closure for the flap. And what have we got inside there? Anything? No, there's nothing inside that one. Just goes in there like that. And then a teeny weeny little pocket there. I've just made this card to go inside. And I've glued down this out of my stash as well. And then that's us at the middle of the second signature, and we've got the little dangles there. And again, we've got another of these 3 pocket things. So that's the top one. Okay, and then this one I've added a butterfly brad out of my stash and some leaves. And then I've backed it onto some peach coloured paper. And then this one, I've just added on a cute little bow and backed it onto some of the backing paper that came with the kit. I think, I glued that butterfly down there as well. And then I've just added on this little label on top of some netting. And we've got another of these pockets and another one of these labels that came with the cross. Now, this was the journal card, and I've just done some stenciling and glued on some flower heads to the stalks and whatnot. And because this page is green, I've just kind of used this as the front to go in that pocket. Now, let's see. Yeah. Now I got this mason jar out of my stash and I've just added a wee ribbon on there. It's just to kind of, and you know that butterfly, that was already on the mason jar, yeah it was. And I've just kind of added that on to tie it in with the blues on here. Because generally there isn't any blue on that kit. This was just a page that I've popped in. And the watering can there. And then we've got this really beautiful, I've used it as a side tuck, that was part of the kit, and I've added this ephemera into there. And then this butterfly is actually out of the patchwork journal kit that I did before I made this journal. And then I've just added this ephemera that I had into here. I've used it as a little tuck, as you can see. And then I think this was what we did on the last video actually, the card for this pocket. I love how it turned out. I think I stitched around the edge since you last saw it. That's what I said I was going to do, and popped on a tab there so it can come out and in of here easier. And I think, I'm not sure if I'd stitched around here on that video or if I did that after. I was just worried it might peel away with just the glue. So yeah, I stitched it on just to keep it stuck on there. And then I've added this little flower on there. And that is the end of the journal. And then the back again is just the fabric. I think with this fabric, I didn't really feel it needed a topper. It was just, with the spine with the buttons, I really just liked it as it was. So I didn't bother to put on a topper. And I'm just cutting off these bits. I'm just wanting this frayed edge look here. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that anyway. And if you have enjoyed it, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. Now, for the rest of this month, well, there's only 4 days left, I'm going to be focusing on the Down the Rabbit Hole folio, which is the design team project for Tanya at Tatty Treasure. I really need that finished for the end of July, because once we come into August, I'll be starting a new project for her with the gentleman's kit. So the next 1 or 2 videos are going to be focusing on that, getting that folio finished. And I really hope you can join me for those. And we'll see you then. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.